Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you how to make chicken mozzarella pasta. In order to do this you need coconut oil, pizza sauce, penne pasta, bell pepper. I have some frozen from this summer, about half an onion, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and 2 chicken breasts. You can start by melting about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more, of coconut oil in a medium-sized pan. Then add your chopped chicken breast into the pan. And be sure that it is spread out so it evenly cooks. Every so often you should move around the chicken and stir it a little bit to make sure that it's evenly cooking on all sides. And you'll know it. I use a meat thermometer to know when it's done, but you don't have to. You can just cut a piece in half, or it's usually done when all sides are brown. After the chicken is fully cooked, you can add in your onion and your bell pepper. You can also remove the chicken from the pan and cook the bell pepper and onion separately, but I like cooking the bell pepper and the onion in the pan with the chicken. This is what it should look like when the chicken is done and the onions and bell peppers are also cooked through. I just cook the onions and bell peppers until they are soft. At this point I will add in my pizza sauce or marinara sauce or whatever you'd like to use. I just have about half a jar here left over from pizza that we made a few nights before. And you can also add oregano and more Italian seasoning if you would like to this. I don't, but just do what you prefer. After you've added the pizza sauce or marinara sauce or whatever you were using, make sure you stir it all the way through and make sure it coats all of the chicken. That way the flavor can actually get into the chicken. After you've stirred in all the marinara sauce, just make sure it simmers for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium to low heat, so it actually has time to flavor everything. At this point I will begin cooking the pasta. If I have not used bagged pasta that is ready in 60 seconds, I will begin cooking my pasta at the beginning of the process when I'm cooking my chicken. If you are using a box of pasta, you will have to cook it while you are cooking the rest of it, not after you've cooked the chicken. So this is how I played it. I'd start with the pasta. I add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top of the pasta, and that's to make sure the Parmesan cheese actually melts. And how much cheese you add is completely up to you. At that point I then add the chicken and vegetable mixture on top of that. And I will finish by topping this with the mozzarella cheese. Again, you can choose how much cheese you want to add. To cook this usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes if everything is thawed out and ready to go. I will have exact measurements and the original recipe that I adapted this from down below in the description box.